Yes, Dickzy Bwoy, can you tell the viewers of the Luo Online your official name?
Yo. Alwenyo pimani pien ana yo bepire. Chwinya takati agonya pata mawalo nyeko. Kaibedo katamugina dano loki komi join no. Lok maji. Yo, thanks so much. See you on the Luo Online. My real name is Oloch Dickens.
Well, Oloch Dickens. Kulis. Yeah, man.
I'm an Acholi.
By tribe.
So that name Dickzy is from Dickens. Yeah.
Many people used to think that you are meaning dick.
No.
So, some girls say, hey, maybe the guy is having big dick. Even mean to joke.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm so grateful to be here today. Yeah, thanks so much for inviting me.
Yeah, we're also welcoming you so much. We are grateful that you honored our invitation, and nice having you here at the Luo Online. Now, to get straight, can you let the people know your music background, when you started, and what transpired you to start music?
Actually, thanks so much once again. Actually, this music is like, music is like a feeling. What you feel like. First, when you're in a community like this, we always be here with people, like, you hear what they say, like, what's affecting them, so we generate our songs from those kind of things. Like, when in a community, like, maybe you are in a bar, right? Maybe you're in a guest house, like, people are drinking, like, they're doing what? They're telling stories. You get your legs from there. Okay, sometimes when we go there, we don't go to drink. Sometimes we go to get lyrics.
Now, this latest song of yours called Diri. That song, I should call it special. I don't mean to overrate it. It's a special song. Now, what were you imagining before you started to write that lyrics of Diri?
That song, Diri. That song, Diri, like when they say tomorrow. Tomorrow. So, Diri, you never know tomorrow. So people always, they don't have hope in life. Sometimes they go through a lot. But I always tell people that Diri can also be in the next minute. That's the future. Can be in the next minute, can be over next year, even tomorrow itself is Diri. So anything that you're afraid to get today, don't resolve. Tomorrow is still there. Yeah.
So the viewer watching the Luo Online right now, if the Luo Online fails to get one subscriber right now, Diri will also happen. That is next minute or tomorrow. We will get you as the subscriber if you don't subscribe now. Anyway, I'm going to ask you some brief questions, and you will just choose one. I will be asking you whether you like this and this, then you choose one. Let's start it off. Samsung and iPhone, which one do you choose?
For me, I prefer Samsung.
Now, what about Arsenal and Manchester United?
I'm a fan of Manchester United.
Well,
don't ask me why, but just let it be like that.
Okay. Lumix and Bosmic.
Actually, I cannot tell you that I like Lumix more than Bosmic, or no Bosmic more than Lumix. Most of them, like, okay, I grew up listening to that song, and actually, I love both of them. But Lumix is not there no more. He's no more. So rest in peace. Bosmic is a hero. Bosmic is a hero. I love him. I respect him.
Then when
I grew up knowing his song. I used to dance with his song when I was still young. Yeah.
Potolava Bwoy and Prince Inda of Kenya.
I don't know that Prince. Me, I support.
Just in Uganda. Okay, now that is that. Can you let us know? It has been a big challenge most of the time trying to push the Luo music, especially to international level.